Jatend duond bura mar United Green Movement David Maraga koro dwaro mondo mi piny owacho okas chenro mare kaka gibiro rakore kod koth mapek mar El Nino migeno ni biro chako chwe thurka e dweche 2 mabiro. Maraga nosiemo piny owacho kuom koso keto chenro mong'ith mar gayo hula kod ataro mabiro wuok kaluwore kod koth makamano. Maraga nolero ni piny owacho onego one ni gwenge ma japong' kinde koth mapek onon matut kendo ket ikruok makare mar reso ngima oganda. Nowuoyo gi jofwamb weche lok tich mar apisi mare, kama bende nosiemo wang' apisa madito ma piny owacho ma kinde ka kinde yako omenda moket thenge ne reso jopiny.
I want to state categorically that any life lost, any harvest destroyed, and any outbreak of preventable disease will be the result of state negligence. We would have expected that the budget this year would have been very, very specific. But you saw what the CS was saying last night. When asked, he was just guessing, talking about 10 billion and saying, look, this is a huge sum of money. I don't know where we are going to get it from. When a few months back, they had more than 14 billion shillings that they spent in Olkalau. So that is the kind of government we are dealing with. We're making this statement so that Kenyans are aware what we are headed for. Because quite a number of government officials are going to come out with PR exercises, PR statements, and unless serious action is taken, the country is headed for a very, very serious disaster.